In a move towards a sustainable future, Reliance Industries Limited and DBS Bank India have joined forces to establish a financing program tailored specifically to the needs of the compressed biogas project initiated by Reliance. This initiative aims to develop an ecosystem for vendor partners to aggregate agricultural residues, which will serve as inputs for Reliance's compressed biogas production plants throughout India. At Reliance's 46th annual general meeting, Chairman Mukesh Ambani revealed an ambitious plan to establish 100 compressed biogas plants in the next 5 years. These plants are expected to consume 5.5 million tons of agro-residue and organic waste. This move is projected to mitigate nearly 2 million tons of carbon emissions and produce 2.5 million tons of organic manure annually. DBS Bank India's Managing Director Rajat Verma commended the initiative, emphasizing that transition financing is vital in enabling businesses to explore and scale new technologies that can fast-track the path to decarbonization. He expressed pride in partnering with Reliance Industries to encourage the journey towards a more sustainable future through innovative banking solutions. Remember, every step towards sustainability counts. The future is in our hands.